welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing a cute little butterfly set, and I'm going to be using like autumn fall sort of colours, and I'm going to be using all Umikk polishes today, guys. To start with, I've done a coat of the Umikk black gel polish, which is U117, and you'll see there I did the second coat off camera just to save time. Now I'm using U247 and U249, and I'm going to be creating a vertical ombre with these two colours, and I'm going to do that on the middle finger and the ring finger. Now these two colours ombre together so well. This is the easiest ombre I have ever done in my life. You watch, guys, how easy these ombre together. You'll see there, to blend those two colours together, I'm just using a detailer brush. I've got a couple of ombre brushes now, but I just find it so much easier to use a detailer brush. I think it's just personal preference, to be honest. You do see a lot of people using ombre brushes, so people obviously do get on with them, or else they wouldn't sell them, but for me, I just find it easier to use a detailer brush. Now, you'd normally hear me saying now, you don't need to worry about getting the first coat too neat, because you're going to go in with a second coat anyway. But yeah, I really don't need to say that, because these ombre just so well together. Now I've only showed you me doing one coat and one nail, guys, because it's the same process for both. So now I'm using the Umikk's matte top coat, and I'm going to apply that to all four nails, and I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So on the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm going to be painting a butterfly, and I want it going over both nails. So I'm going to be doing the right half on the middle finger, then the left half of the butterfly on the ring finger. So I've applied a bit of black gel polish, that colour U117, on my palette, just so I can work from my palette. It's much easier. So you'll see there I've just painted the outline, and then I'm going to go in and paint some detail. Again, I'm just going to show you me doing this one nail, guys. Oh no, I did show you me doing the outline to this one, but I didn't show you me doing the detail on the ring finger, because yeah, it's going to get too long and a bit repetitive as well. You'll see there on the edge of that nail I have marked out where that butterfly needs to be, just so it matches up with the other half. I wasn't too happy with this butterfly. You will see at the end of the video I've made the butterfly a little bit higher. I just think it looked a little bit too wide and short, so I did go in after I finished recording and make that butterfly a little bit higher. Now I'm using the Umikk white gel polish, colour U240, and I'm going to paint a strip going across this nail. I'm just doing it with the brush out the bottle, and then I'm going to neat it up with my detailer brush, which is what I'm doing here. Just want to get them edges really neat. Now, I am going to be doing a vertical ombre on this as well with them same two colours, but they wouldn't have covered a black. That's why I've gone in with the white first. If I'd have gone to do an ombre straight over the black with these two colours, it would have never covered a black. So yeah, that's why I went in with the white first. So do the white strip, cure it for 30 seconds, and then go in with your two colours. So once I'm happy with that ombre, I shall pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now we're on to the pinky nail, and I'm going to be painting a sunflower. So again, I needed to do it with the white first because the orange and yellows won't cover that black. So I'm going to paint the bottom petals first, cure that white, and then I'm going to paint over the white with the orangey colour, cure that, and then I'm going to paint the top petals with the white, cure that, and then paint over them with the mustard yellow colour. So that's the sunflower all finished. I'm now applying a coat of the Umikk matte top coat. And I'm not going to cure that because into that uncured matte top coat I'm going to be sticking these crystals into it. Now, if I was doing this on my own nails, I would cure that matte top coat and then apply gem glue to where I'm applying these crystals. But because they're on tips, matte top coat will hold them in fine. Once I'm happy with them, I shall cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And that's that now done. So now we're on to the ring finger. Again, I'm applying a coat of the matte top coat. I'm going to be doing a little crystal cluster in the top right hand corner of this nail. And then on the middle finger, I'm going to do a crystal cluster, but in the top left hand corner. But I didn't show you me doing that, guys, because again, it's the same as what I'm doing on this nail, so I just didn't want this video to get too long for you guys. So once I'm happy with where I've put them crystals, I shall cure that matte top coat for 30 seconds, and that will hold them all in place. That's them all done, guys. What do you think? I really like them. I love the colour combination. I think they're a great start for autumn. And I love how them two colours blended together so well. I shall leave the link for the set these gel polishes come in, guys, in my description box below. So if you're interested in buying them, just click the link and you'll head straight over there. They're off Amazon. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.